What compensation can I seek after a car accident injury? You may be able to seek compensation for medical expenses, future medical care if your records support it, lost income, reduced earning ability, pain and suffering, scarring or lasting impairment, out-of-pocket costs, and vehicle damage. The key is proof. You need records showing that the crash caused your injuries and losses. That can include medical records, bills, pay stubs, employer notes, photos, repair estimates, receipts, and witness information. You also generally need to prove the other driver was legally at fault. In North Carolina, contributory negligence is a major issue. If the defense proves your own negligence helped cause the crash, it can seriously affect your ability to recover compensation. Also, many injury and property damage claims have a 3-year deadline to file a lawsuit. Insurance talks do not automatically extend that deadline. Before signing any settlement release, especially for property damage or injury payments, read it carefully and consider getting legal guidance so you know exactly what claims you are giving up.